Welcome back. You've done a lot of work to get here, and now it's time to explore the role intuition plays in keeping your momentum going. In this lesson, we'll dive into how to listen to your inner guidance, notice the signals it sends, and allow decisions and actions to arise naturally from a place of alignment. Intuition is your internal system for living in alignment with your truth. It's a deep, often subtle knowing that guides you in making decisions and taking action. This lesson is about learning how to tap into that inner wisdom, recognize your internal signals, and trust the guidance you receive. We'll explore how to read your internal landscape and allow actions to emerge naturally through receptivity and flow. Relying solely on logic or external opinions can lead to confusion and misalignment with your true path. Intuition, however, offers a direct line to your authentic self. By honing your intuitive abilities, you can make decisions that feel right and are in harmony with your vision. Learning to trust your intuition also opens up opportunities for flow states where actions arise naturally without any force. What is intuition? Well, intuition is the ability to understand or know something without conscious reasoning. It's often described as your gut feeling or an inner voice that guides you. Unlike logical thinking, which is step by step and analytical, intuition is quick and often feels like a sudden insight or a clear feeling about a situation. Many people experience intuition as a physical sensation, like a sense of ease, or as a quiet, subtle thought that arises without any effort. Your internal signals, whether they're physical sensations, emotions, or subtle nudges, indicate what's truly right for you. Your body often knows the answer before your mind does. To get in tune with your intuition, we first need to create stillness within our mind and body. We can do this by meditating or tuning into our bodily sensations. Practicing stillness lets us tune into the subtle energies, which allow for insights to present themselves that are usually hidden. The moment an intuitive sense arises, it is usually peaceful and easeful. It arises from beyond the mind, almost like a surprise awareness of something to take action on. Once you're aware of this intuitive hit, your cognitive mind will kick in, and unless you take action on that intuitive hit, you may all of a sudden question the feeling or the idea and doubt its validity. Give yourself patience to tune into your intuition. It is a lifelong practice to develop and strengthen a relationship with. Intuition can be a powerful tool in guiding your choices, especially when faced with uncertainty. The key to making decisions is to either say yes or no, and not ruminating too long on one or the other, or getting stuck in limbo on indecision and confusion. Saying no opens up the bandwidth for more information to present itself, and saying yes moves you forward, which then allows you to learn from the action to then make the next decision. Your intuition can help you along the way by trusting to take action on nudges and build trust between you and your intuition. As you learn to trust your intuitive nudges and take action on them, the more access you will have to it. Here's an activity: stillness practice. Take time every day to meditate or tune into your body. Notice any sensations, emotions, or subtle feelings that arise when you think about a decision or an action. Journal about what you observe and how it guides your choices. To recap, in this lesson, you've explored what intuition is and how to tap into it. You've learned how to notice your intuitive signals and allow decisions to arise naturally. By strengthening your connection to your intuition, you can move forward with confidence, knowing that your actions are aligned with your true self. Reflection question number 1. How does your intuition typically communicate with you? Through feelings, sensations, or subtle thoughts? Reflection question number 2. What practices help you connect most deeply with your intuition? Reflection question number 3. How can you incorporate intuitive decision making into your daily routine? Start integrating intuition practices into your daily life and practice making small decisions based on intuition and notice how it feels compared to more logical, forced decisions. That's it for this lesson. Get ready for the next lesson where we'll explore energy centers and how they can influence your momentum as you stay aligned with your vision.